Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space.
Welcome to another one of our craft videos.
So Gail, what are we going to make today?
Today we're going to be making bookmarks. I'm going to show you two of my examples. I made a monster and I made a penguin.
And I made sort of a bird with some curly hair.
Oh, that's
And they're really cute as bookmarks. We'll show how they...
So you just put the nose over the page and there you have it.
I put mine over my book.
Nice.
And I think this is a nice activity for getting ready, going back to school, because everybody's going to have some books that they're going to need to read.
Yes, or you might be doing school at home, but you'll still be reading books.
Exactly. So before we begin our craft, we're going to do one of our breaths, and this is called a crisscross. And again, since we're all getting ready maybe to do different things as we get into September, I think it's nice to be able to relax. So we're going to put arms out straight, and then you're going to turn so the backs of your hands are facing each other, thumbs down, cross your arms, clasp your fingers together, and then bend and come in like this. And we're going to hold this position and take 3 deep breaths. Okay.
I feel way more relaxed.
I know, it's very calming.
Thank you, Peggy.
You're welcome.
So let me show you all what we're going to need today. Not many materials. You're going to need some paper. We're using some cardstock. It's heavier, but you could use any kind of paper. Some tape, some markers. If you have googly eyes or anything else you want to decorate it with, you can use that. Today we're going to both be using markers. So let's get started.
All right, what's the first step?
The first step is you want to cut, I already cut mine, the shape of a bookmark. So it's a rectangle and you cut it.
So here, and I have a light pink one I pre-cut.
Okay, and I have white. And then the next thing you're going to do is make the nose. You can make it a beak. You really can do anything, but I'm going to show you how I did my nose on my monster. I cut a strip of paper like that, and then I just round it out the bottom to look like a nose.
Okay.
All right.
And you can round out the top if you want, or make any shape like you said, right?
Yeah, anything goes with this craft. I love it. And then after you get your nose cut out, I'm using double-sided tape, or you can use regular tape and roll it. And I'm putting it on the back of my nose, and then I'm just attaching it to my bookmark.
Is yours the same color as your?
Yes, I'm using white and white, but I could be using any color really.
So I did mine red on the pink.
That looks nice.
Okay.
And then this time, instead of using googly eyes, I'm going to use just markers. And so really anything goes. I'm going to make mine a person this time again. Peggy, what are you going to make?
I'm thinking about trying to make a unicorn and do like, the triangle at the top.
That's awesome. You always have really cute ideas.
Yep. We shall see how it comes out.
Yep. So really, this is a great craft because, like I said, anything goes. It's pretty quick and easy. I think it would make some really nice gifts for people.
And you can turn it into anything.
Yeah. All right, here's mine so far.
Oh, I like it.
Thank you.
I did, well, let me get my eyebrows on.
And I gave mine some freckles.
Some freckles.
Yeah.
All right, here's my eyes.
Oh, those are so pretty. I love that.
I want to try to see if I can make the unicorn top.
Okay. I'm going to have a collection of 3, which is great.
Unicorns are so popular now.
I know, I love unicorns. Yeah, they're making a big comeback. So here is mine.
Oh, I like that, Gal.
Yeah, I'm going to finish it up a little bit later.
Okay, and mine, I'm going to show it to you in just a sec.
Great.
I haven't put a mouth on it yet, but
Oh, I love it.
you like it?
I do. Great, Peggy, I love it. So we can both finish these up a little bit more. I'm going to put a few more decorations on.
Yep, me too.
That was really fun.
It was fun. Thank you for joining our space again today.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoy doing these activities.
And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
All right, have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.